1, 6, 1, 50, 30, 90. Write down in a vertical form. All are divisible by 3. So first I written here 3. So what answer will come? 3 5s are 50. 3 10s are 30. 3 30s are 90. So which new dividend I got? 5, 10, 30. Now these all are divisible by 5. So I written here 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 6s are 30. So which next I got? 1, 2, 6. Now 2 and 6 both are divisible by 2. So I written here 2. 1 will come as it is. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. So last step what I got? Prime number. So we have to stop here itself. So what the LCM will come? 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So together 3 5s are 15. 15 2s are 30. 33s are 90. So LCM will come 90. Now next 7th one. 105 195. 5 plus 1 6. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 5 15. Both are divisible by 3. So I divided here by 3. So 3 3s are 9. 1 remaining. 1 and 5 become 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 1 remaining. 1 and 5 become 15. So 3 5s are 15. So what new dividend I got? 35 and 65. Now at unit place 5 is there. Both. So both are divisible by 5. So I written here 5. What answer will come? Quotient what will come? 5 7s are 35. 5 1s are 5. 1 remaining. 1 and 5 become 15. 5 3s are 15. So what number I got? 7 and 13. Both are prime numbers. So we have to stop here itself. So what the LCM will come? These factors and these factors. So LCM is 3 multiplied by 5. 7 multiplied by 13. Answer will come 1365. Now 8th one. 12, 15, 45. All are divisible. First we have to see all are divisible by 3. So I divided here by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 15s are 45. Now 4 5 15. 4 is there. 4 is divisible by 2. So I can divide here by 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 is a prime number, so I written as it is. 15 also is not divisible by 2. So I written as it is. So which new number I got now? 2 5 15. Now 2 is a prime number. So it will remain as it is down. Now 5 and 15 both are divisible by 5. So I have to write here 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. So what my LCM will come? 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So answer will come as a 180. Clear everyone? Next 63 and 81. Both are divisible by 3. So I divided here by 3. So what I got answer here? 21 and 27. Now again both are divisible by 3. So I divided here by 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 7 and 9. 7 is prime number. So it will remain as it is. But 9, yes, I can divide 9 by 3. So I written here 3. 7 will come as it is down. And 3 3s are 9. So 3 I got prime number, 7 also prime number. So we have to stop here itself. So what my LCM will come? These factors and these factors. So means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 7 multiplied by 3. So answer will come 567. Do 10th one as a homework. Just see the next one. The product of two-digit number is 1280 and GCD is given 4. What is their LCM? Now here numbers are not given. Their product means was their multiplication given as a 1280 and GCD given 4. So how we will find out LCM? For that, one rule is there. Always product of means what? Multiplication of GCD and LCM of particular number is always equal to product of that number. Now just here, how much GCD given? 4. LCM we have to find out. And numbers, what the product of two numbers given? 1280. So now I want to find out LCM. So earlier, as I said to you, now whichever number we want to find out, that keep on the one side, and remaining all things, all number, we have to bring it on the other side. When we are changing the side of number, whichever function is there, that also will change. Suppose plus is there, plus becomes minus, minus become plus, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. Now here, just here 4 in a multiplication form is there, so I am changing that position. So here it will, what will come? Multiplication comes as a division. So what will come? LCM is equal to 1280 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 0s are 0. Now we solved the first question. Now second question. Find the SCF and LCM of given number below and verify that their product is equal to product of given number. That means we have to verify, are they equal or no. First example given 32, 37. Just here now 32. I took the prime factor of 32. What will come? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 37. 37 is prime number. So what will come? 1 multiplied by 37. Now SCF. SCF means what? We have to take common factor of both number. Is anything common here? So no common factor. If factor is not come as a common, so SCF will remain as a 1 only. This rule is there. When no common factor is there, SCF will remain always 1. And LCM. How LCM we will get? LCM is always when nothing is common. As I said to you earlier, when nothing is common, LCM comes as a product of that two number itself. That is 32 multiplied by 37. 32 multiplied by 37. My answer will come 1184. Now verification. What we have to verify? Now product of LCM and SCM is equal to product of two number. Now we will see the product of SCF and LCM. What will come? SCF is 1 and LCM is 1184. So my answer will come 1184. Give this as a equation number 1. Now second, product of two numbers. Which two numbers are there? 32 and 37. So product will come also as a 1184. So give this as a number 2. So now from 1 and 2, what will come? Here also SCF and LCM. Product of LCM and SCM is equal to the product of number 1184. Here also 1184. So what my last statement will come? From 1 and 2, product of LCM and SCM is equal to product of two numbers. Clear to everyone? Now second, 46, 51. Just factor as 46. 6 is there at a unit place, so it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So what my factors will come? 2 multiplied by 23. 23 is a prime number, so we have to stop here itself. 51. Which are the factors for 51? 3 multiplied by 17. Again 17 is a prime number, so it will be not divisible by next any number. So this is the last factor. Now can we get any prime factor common here? No. If no common prime factor, that means SCF will come 1. And LCM, what LCM I said children? If no common factor is there, we have to take the product of that number itself as a LCM. So 46 multiplied by 51, answer will come 2346. Now verification. What verification we have to do? Whether SCM and LCM product is equal to the product of two number. What SCF you got? 1. LCM 2346. So answer comes as a 2346. Give that as equation number 1. The product of two number. Product of two numbers also what is there? 46 multiplied by 51. Answer is 2346. Give this as a equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 what will come? Product of SCM and LCM is equal to product of two number. Clear everyone? Now children just see the third example 15, 16. Now I shown by the vertical method. 15 and 16 both are divisible by 3. So I divided here by 3. So what my answer will get? 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6, 3 0s are 0. So what new dividend I got? 5 and 20. Both are divisible by 5. So I divided here by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. Now I have to stop here itself. In earlier we seen that if 4 is there, we divided here by 2. But we will not do step here, that step. Why? Because we want to find out SCF also. If only LCM is there, we can divide 4 by 2. But SCF means what? Common factor of both number. Now if 4 is there, 4 is a factor of only 60. So it is not common of 15. So we cannot move further. We have to stop here itself. Clear everyone? What I said to you, we have to stop here itself. Why? Because here SCF we have to find out. SCF means common factor of both number. And 4 is a factor of 60 alone. That's why we cannot move further. So what my SCF will come? These two factors of 15 and 16. As 3 multiplied by 5. My answer will come 3 5s are 15. And LCM means what? These factors as well as these factors. So 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4. So what my answer will get? 60. This concept is clear to everyone? Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to verify. Now LCM and SCF, product of LCM and SCM. How much SCF you got? 15. And LCM 60. Give this as a equation number 1. And product of two numbers are also itself 15 and 16. Give this as a equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 what we get? The product of SCF and LCM is equal to product of two numbers. This concept is clear to everyone. Again I will repeat. Here I not move further because 4 is a factor of only 16 and we have to take SCF. SCF means common factor of both. That's why I stopped here itself. But suppose we have to find out only LCM. We can move further as a 2 here. 2 2s are 4. And here also 2 will come. Understood? But we will not do here because we want to find out both SCF and LCM. Now suppose, see here, for your sake of understanding, I written here separately. Now suppose only I want to find out LCM. What we did? 15, 16, vertical method. 3 5s are 15, 3 20s are 60. I divided by 5, 5 1s are, 5 4s are. Now 4 is there. Now I want to find out only LCM. So what I did? 2, I divided here by 2. So what answer I got? 2 2s are 4. Now I did by this method. So LCM is this factor as well as this factor. So 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Answer came 60. Here also answer came 60 only. Clear everyone difference between two? This step we cannot follow the SCF. For SCF the factors which are coming, it should be divisible by both, not only one. Clear everyone? So this method we cannot apply for the SCF. Understood everyone? Now just see the fourth one. 1863. I written in a vertical manner. I divided here by 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 2 are 6. 3 1 are 3. So what number I got? 6 and 21. Again both are divisible by 3. So I divided here by 3. 3 2 are 6. 3 7 are 21. Both prime numbers we got. So we have to stop here itself. So what my SCF will come? These as a common factor. 3 multiplied by 3. And what LCM will come? 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. So SCF will come 3 3s are 9. And LCM will come 126. Now again I want to verify. So what will come? Product of LCM and SCF. How much SCF is there? SCF 9 multiplied by 126. 1134. Give that as equation number 1. Product of two numbers. Which two numbers are there? 16 and 18. So product of two numbers, answer also get 1134. So this as a give equation as a 2. So from 1 and 2, always product of SCM and LCM is always equal to the product of number. Clear everyone? Now fifth one. 78104. Here also 8 is there at a last, 4 is there at a unit place. So both are divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 1 remaining, 1 and 8 become 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Now here 2 is there. So can I divide by 2? No. Why? Because 9 is not divisible by 2. This 39 will not divisible by 2. So we cannot divide only single number. Why? Because we want to find out SCF also. So for SCF we have to see that particular both number should be divisible by one prime number. Now both are divisible by 13. So what my answer came? 13 3s are 39. 13 4s are 52. Here 4 I got, but I cannot move further. Why? Because we want to find out SCF. So my what SCF will come? These common factors only. Which are the common factor? 2 multiplied by 13. So my answer will come 26. And LCM means all factors. 2 multiplied by 13, 3 multiplied by 4. So which factors will come? 2 multiplied by 13, 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 312. Now again we have to verify. So product of SCF and LCM is equal to how much SCF we got? 26 multiplied by 312. Answer came 8112. Give this as equation number 1. Product of two numbers. Now which two numbers are there? 78 and 104. And product means what? Multiplication. My answer is 8112. So from 1 and 2 both are same. So product of SCF and LCM is equal to product of two number. This is a rule. General rule is there. Product of SCF and LCM is equal to product of two numbers. This concept is clear to everyone. So with this we finish with the practice set 13. Question number 1 and question number 2.